Good morning, guys. This is our first official morning here in Manchester, and we're about to leave in 30 minutes if my friend gets ready on time. And we'll be going to the airport to get our car rental and drive to Lake District for around 2 hours.
Beautiful, Luigi.
And along the way, we plan to eat breakfast. Hopefully, we get a good and cheap breakfast.
Yes, Luigi.
Thanks, Lisa. And as you know, of course, we are on a budget, so we hope we stick to our budget. See you guys.
Yes, Luigi.
Thanks, Lisa, for responding. Even if you're in the other room, your voice is heard until here because you are always around us. Right? So see you guys. I'll keep you posted. This would be your car for today. Doing some checks. We're just here for a quick stopover. But we're going to find another stopover because this one is not so good. A few choices. Only bought water and juice. Stefano.
This guys.
What's the plan?
The plan is to rock and roll.
That's what you call Vauxhall.
Vauxhall Technologies, aka Chelsea.
Now here, our second stopover. Oh, there's Burger King and Subway as well. We hope we made the right choice going to this second stop. I think we did because it's a bigger one.
Exactly.
Exactly, Zacinos. It's always best to start our day with coffee. So this is going to be our brunch.
Indeed.
He's our maestro, the coffee master himself, and the beef master, Stephen Lee. Good morning. I hope you like your coffee today. She is an avid fan of flat white.
Very well.
So after this, we're gonna continue our journey, maybe for around 1 more hour, maybe 1.5. Goodbye. Psycho times. We are checking on how we can sync our phone into this device.
Oh my gosh.
The
It is working.
I think the audio is already working now. We're just trying to
For the road ahead.
mirror the screen here
Using
phone
wheel buttons and
here.
voice actions with
so
Android.
that we don't need any sat nav
Okay.
and save our expense. Get
What you want
quickly.
Switch activities using the
So just here to stop over, and we're soon leaving as soon as we figure out how this works. Talk to Google. It's not working.
connected to your
So,
car. Drive app is running.
Still need to drive around 140 kilometers to Beach House bed and
Pero hindi
breakfast.
ko nakita.
Okay, bye-bye. So we'll keep you posted on our progress
Yun nga eh,
once we
dapat
arrive
sana
at the beach
tayo eh.
house, where we plan to first leave our luggage.
Hindi.
We're soon arriving, and it's just around 5.6 kilometers left, or around 7 minutes of driving. The roads are getting narrower and narrower. We finally arrived here at the Beach House B&B. and we're just looking for our host. I think she's somewhere in front, so hope we find her. We're now here on our first stop, which is the Penrith Castle, and we parked just around 600 meters away from the castle. So it's here in the supermarket. So we have free parking. So for us to have a free parking.
I can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite. 'Cause the sun is shining up above, and the night is just as young as both of us. So let's just stay together, make our own forever. Be my guilty pleasure. Your love is both. I'm gonna see the stars in your eyes.
Stephen, what can you say about your Mars bars?
Very sweet. Just the way I like it.
Do you like it to be deep fried?
No,
Just like in Edinburgh?
sweet and juicy. Like this.
Oh, nasty.
boy.
It's really, really very juicy. Just like a Sneakers. And Cloud9 in the Philippines. I think this is how you enjoy the review of the Penrith Castle.
Are you gonna take me to the other side? Are you gonna be my summer loving, all or nothing? You hit me like a landslide.
So, this is the Castlerigg. Castlerigg what? Castlerigg lang. This is the Castlerigg Stonehenge. And if you've ever been to the Stonehenge in Bristol, this one is even older, but shorter. So, this is my friend Lisa, and I think there are many Pokemons here to catch. So, she's very busy because the Pokemons found a habitat here in the Stonehenge, and where they live for 4,500 years, because this Stonehenge was discovered or was thought to be built 4,500 years ago. So the weather is still a bit rainy, but gratefully it's now a bit sunny, and we're looking to visit 3 more places before we go home. Be the very best. No one ever was.
Super plenty coins. Huh.
So many little insects flying around. We're about to end our day today. We're ending it with a bit pricey dinner. So afterwards, we're going to have McFlurry at McDonald's, of course, and that's the main request of Stephen all the time. Is it right?
Correct. I will not allow us to go home without McFlurry.
It's just like the time when we were in Belfast. I remember Stephen was eating McFlurry. Lisa was watching Running Man. Right, you guys.
Very well, sir. Very well.
Finally, our meal arrived. This is medium well steak. This medium well steak, medium rare. Also a medium rare person. Just joking. Bon appetit. McFlurry. To end our day today. After a very long day, we have arrived here at our house, which is in the beach house. Beech beach. So you have a TV here. We have 4 beds, and then we have our own private toilet, which is one of the favorite features of our friend Steve and Lee. What can you say about this day?
This day has been very fruitful and wet. Thank you.
All right, I definitely agree to that. So tomorrow will be our second day, and we'll be meeting a friend's friend
Farry.
who,
We'll be meeting Farry.
who would fetch us.
Huh?
Who would be fetching us 9 in the morning. 9:30. So we hope tomorrow will be a good day, and tomorrow will be a better weather. Bye guys.